Hi everyone, it's Marcy, and I'm ready to make some mini notebooks for Dear Julie Julie's August Assembly Line Junk Journal Challenge. And to do that, I've got some 6x6 cardstock that I cut down to 4x6. Although, why I did that, I'm really not sure. Leaving it 6x6 and just folding it in half would make a simple little notebook that could be used. Then I backed this side with some paper and just gonna fold my notebook in half to create the actual notebook. And I'm going to put down some lace, and here I'll be sewing around this, sewing the edges of the lace down. And I'm just using my art glitter glue because it will dry more clear instead of the shiny effect that Fabri-Tac has. So just a little bit of lace here, and then I've got some little bit of music paper and some torn out images from Dear Julie Julie Sunflower Digital Kit, and then just some cut-offs of other digital pages that I'd already used for something. The music paper I'd already used and was just using cut-offs from that. And I'm just building myself a little collage type thing for the front of each of the little notebooks. And once I've got these all glued down and the glue has a second to dry, I will be going in and just to add a little more interest, I'm going to go in and sew around the outer edges of the notebook. Okay, let me get my pen back in my glue, grab my scissors. And unfold this and cut off my excess lace. So there's my simple embellished cover for my mini notebook. I'm going to go sew around the edges and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my cover sewn around and I've got 8 more covers to go with it for my mini notebooks. So now it's time to start putting pages in them. And I've got 3 different background colors. And I think my papers I've gone ahead and cut down papers that will fit into the little notebooks. So I think I'm just gonna, I've only got 3 of these papers. Let's see. And I'm not sure. I'm gonna put 3 pages in each notebook. So there's 1. 2, 3. And I'm going to, as I said, put the pages in each one, and then I'm going to take it back over to my sewing machine and just straight stitch down the center. I've never had a problem putting a straight stitch in on something like this, but I do use the longest setting so that I don't have teeny tiny little stitches. I've got fewer larger stitches. So I'm going to do that, and then I will be right back. I've got all my papers sewn in, and these are my little mini notebooks. They're all very similar. Little differences. The cover, each notebook will get, or each journal will get, 1 of each of the 3 background colors. And they have different images or different little embellishment pieces, but they're very much the same. So that's 9 mini notebooks. And what we have left is tags, journal cards, and embellished flip pages. The embellished flip pages I'll be doing toward the very end once I start putting my actual journal together. So next up we'll have either tags or journal cards. And so until I see you again, please be safe, stay healthy, and happy crafting, everyone. Bye-bye.